Hey bro, come over here.
What's up?
Bro, take a look at this that I got.
What's that?
Bro, just between you and me, I got some of this nice Primo Fumoto F108 good.
What's it do?
Makes oil change in a breeze.
So what are you about to do?
I just need your help on it.
Okay, yeah, no problem. Do you have oil?
Yeah man, got this Motul 8100 XS.
Why don't you use the Motul Clean EFE?
Come on bro, don't you know that's a conspiracy? They make that stuff for cheaper. They sell it the same price to you, tell you it's better, even though it ain't nothing different.
Do you have the filter?
Yeah bro, who do you think I am? Got it right here.
Alright, let's do this.
Alright man, cool. Alright, so we have the car jacked up. Now it's time to go underneath and actually check out the plug. Alright, let's go ahead and unscrew the oil cap, take off this filter. So this one's a little bit different with the skid plate. You actually have to remove a 10mm here to be able to gain access to the bolt. So there's the drain bolt. Once I undo this, oil's gonna come out. Shown to be a 14mm. So the Fumoto valve is now installed. Had a little bit of an issue with clearance trying to get it in, but once you actually get it threaded and just start turning, it works itself in there. Now what I like to do is actually take this rubber part out, and once it's taken off, just put some oil on it, put it back on. That way whenever you screw it on, you have a good seal. So once it's actually oiled up, all you gotta do is just screw it back on here. Make sure it threads correctly. And once it gets tight on here, basically just crank down on it a little bit, enough to where my hand starts just kind of slipping with a little bit of grip on there. So it doesn't have to be overly tight, but just tight enough to where it's not going to leak. So the way Motul works is it comes in liters. Since you'll use 5.4 quarts, you'll actually need to do 5.1 liters. So I have the 5.1 liters installed. Make sure you put your cap on before you start the engine to check your levels. For some reason, it seems like I always forget. I find out pretty quickly though. So there we go. Gonna set the car back down and then start it up, let it run for about 5 seconds and test the oil. Alright bro, thank you. Let's try it out. Glad I could help you out, man. I'll see you another time. Yo, bro, thanks for the help.